Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working as is a Mercedes E-Class is a E350, and today we're going to replace our side mirror. It's going to be at the passenger side. So we're going to take you through the whole process and the tools which you'll need for this procedure, and the part number I'll all include in the video. So let's begin. So first things first, you take out this kind of like this cover, this panel going to be right over here. We take it out, and then we're going to take out this right here, which is going to be our tweeter or the speaker, this small speaker. We'll take it out, and then we're going to access some bolts inside here, and then right here we're going to disconnect from the computer connections going to the mirror, and then from there I'm going to show you how this mirror is going to come out. Okay, let's begin. So you take a plastic pry. I prefer something just like this so that you don't mess your stuff. You just let it like hook right over here, and then you just open like that from all these kind of hooks, and then you can just pull it out like that. This thing comes out without a problem, and you can just put it on a nice place. Next we're going to remove this right over here, which is going to be this two, this one right here, the white one, and then we're going also to remove this one right here, which is going to be the black one. So you just use your hand, you press this kind of clip from right here, and then you just pull it out. This one comes like that. This one too comes like that, and then right here. So for some reason this one right here is already out, so normally it's going to be right over here. So you might use something like a small clip removal tool, and then you just pry it out. But ours, apparently someone has been working on it before, and then you pull out and didn't push it back. So you just remove this like this, and then you let it loose. So let this one loose like this, and then you can just take it out from this other side. Right, when it's like that, you can just work from right over here. So you put our primer here, this plastic pry, you just pry from here just like this. Yeah. So once this comes like this, you just take it out like that, and then you just pull our cable connection from down right over there. You let it come out like this from here. Then next we take our Torx 25. So we have one Torx 25 right here, and then we have another Torx 25 on top here, and then we have a last Torx 25 over here. So let's get them out. As you do that, make sure you hold this one right over here. You hold it from falling down. Just make sure you hold as you take out these three out, and then once that is done, we can put it back. So I'll start with the inner one. So I just come right over here. I just take like that, and then I get my magnet. So you take that one out. There's the second one. And then the last one, so make sure you hold the mirror from outside so it doesn't fall down. So I'll just hold the cable from right here, because my hand is holding the camera. So once I hold the cable so it doesn't go down, I can take out this one right here. So I'll just take like that, and then I put it on a nice place. So once that comes out like that, I just let it come out from here. I'll use my other hand to hold it. You just take it out like this, and so our mirror comes out like that. So what I'd like to show you guys is the information you might need. So normally this one comes with it's kind of a sticker, but this one doesn't have it. I think this is a used one. So what you're going to do today, we're going to replace it. To replace it, you do everything in reverse. So let me take you through the process of doing it. Let's do it. So what you do, you come from outside, then you make sure this thing comes like through right here. Just put them all in like that, and then make sure this thing locks in from like all the way here. Make sure this thing locks in right here, because sometimes some people don't put it all the way and this thing doesn't sit inside all the way. So make sure the thing locks in from right over there all the way right to here. So it's important to make sure all this thing lines in well, because I've seen several people, they put this thing without lining in. So this thing just comes out here, it doesn't sit well. So once that is all the way in like that, we can go inside and then we can lock from right over there. So once here, let's put in the our bolts. So you can just right here, just align it. So you just align that like that, and then we can put in this one, and then we can put in the other one right over here. So once this thing tightens all the way, so that's the hardest part. Once that is done, you can put them right over here. You just come right over here, you just put it right there. Alright, so let it come over right from here like that, and make sure it goes inside this kind of hook. For this right over here on top, you can just lock it. You just lock it from right over here, just like that. So you start from below right here, so you just pull like that. Then you just lock in like that. Once that is done, you can come right over here. You just lock in right there, let the hand is just holding there, and then the last part you just come here. So the black one is the first. You just lock it all the way like that, and then there is the last one, just lock it like that, and then the last part remaining is just right this plate. Just make sure it goes like that all over there, and then it just locks in like that, and then it should be good to go. Okay, let's test and see if our mirror is going to fold or not. So let's take her. So it come right here on the mirror, so when we press it, and right over there, you just see right so our mirror is just working really fine, so we don't have a problem on that, so it should be good to go. Alright, thank you for watching the video. I hope it really been helpful as you fix your side mirror. So you can do the same procedure with this side mirror right over here or right over there, or whichever it is. This for the E-Class is a W212. I've really been helpful. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave in the comment sections, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.